Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm trying out a TikTok trend that I saw. I came across an article on Nylon that was talking about this hypnotizing eyeliner, so I'm gonna try out that look today. I'm gonna add a little bit more sparkle and shine, so if you want to get that look, then stay tuned. I did lay down an eyeshadow base already. I'm just gonna go in and fill in my brows. Next, I'm going to go in with a transition shade and just focus that right into my crease, just deepening my outer socket a little bit. I'm going to go in with a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to kind of carve out a highlight right in the inner 1/3 of my eye. Next, I'm going to take a little baby brush and I'm going to go in with that same transition shade and just smoke out the bottom lash line. Now I'm going to give my lashes a curl. Next, I'm going to go in with a gel liner and I'm just going to tightline my waterline. And I'm going to continue that line and make a wing. Next, I'm going to take a little brush and just smudge out the top edge of that eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply a couple coats of mascara. I start just at the base of the lash line and I wiggle it just to get some volume before I go through to the ends of my lashes. Next, I'm going to go in and place the 4 dots. So So that's the eyes done. I'm gonna go in and cover my face with my favorite BB cream. Next, I'm gonna go in with blush. And I'm gonna add a little highlight to my face too. Next, I'm gonna add a lippy. I'm just doing a tinted lip balm. Final step, I'm going to set my face with setting spray. So this is the finished look. So that was it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think down below. Did you fall in love with me? Let me know down below and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!